Hi guys, welcome back again to my channel. This is Simon again, and yes, for today's video we'll have another unboxing of this item that I bought from Shopee. So this is the LG Puricare wearable Air Purifier Mask. Okay, so ayun na nga, I just tried to check and bought this Air Purifier Mask just to try it, and I think it has good features in it, kaya I tried to buy it na. The price is quite expensive, okay, from other mask, pero still let's check kung anong may offer nitong LG Puricare mask na to, so we can check kung maganda pa talaga siya and if it's worth the price. Later on, I'll tell you what the price of this LG Puricare mask is. Okay? So that we'll be able to see kung ano talaga yung may offer niya. Some of the features are, it has the H13 HEPA grade filter. So ayun na nga. We'll try to open it up muna. So ayan. You'll see there, wear your confidence. Okay? So it comes with an eco packaging from LG, which is good for the nature kasi eco-friendly yung materials na ginamit. So ayan. We'll just open it up. So nandito lahat nung details about the mask. Ayan na siya. LG Puricare wearable mask. Okay? So ayan. Again, some of the features are the H13 HEPA grade filter, dual inverter with respiratory sensor. It has built-in mic and speaker, and it's just 94 grams. So, ayun na nga. We'll try to open it ngayon. Ayan. Pati yung speaker niya, oh. Parang eco-friendly yung ginamit. So, ayan. So, pagbukas mo nito, there, you'll see here, eco-friendly packaging. So, boxes are not glued for easier unboxing and recycling. And the plastic pack can be used as a stand while charging. So, pwede mong gamitin stand. So, buksan natin. So you'll be greeted by the mask itself. So let's check this later. So ayan, meron pa. Let's see kung ano yung contents niya inside. Okay? Ayan, ito yung yung stand where you can charge the LG Puricare face mask. Ayan, dun yung isasalpak yung type C. Okay? So, we have here the manuals, the warranty cards, and all the booklets from LG. So, ito naman, this is the face guard. So, ito yung nasa, parang nilalagay dun sa may mouth, parang mouthpiece nung LG Puricare mask natin. So ayan, it's large, the size is large. So ayan, it also comes with the case. So ayun, may case siyang kasama. Maganda rin yung type ng case na kasama sa kanya. Ayan o, it's color parang gray silver, LG Puricare. Okay. So ayan, we have here, these are the two H13 HEPA grade filters. And we have the Type C to Type A charging cable. This is the neck band. So, ito yung parang kung gusto mong i-extend, para yung pressure is nandun sa may likod ng ulo mo and not on your ears. Pwede mo yung ilagay. And then, we have here the, this is the inner cover. Ito yung nilalagay dun sa pinakaloob ng mask. Parang, ito yung naglilinis ng air together with this H13 HEPA filter. So, ayan. Again, this is the face guard. Ito yung nasa pinaka nilalagay sa mouthpiece, and then the inner cover. So, that's it. Yun lang yung laman nung package natin. Okay? For the LG Puricare Air Purifier Mask. Let's try to open it. Okay? Kung ano ba talaga ang itsura nitong ating LG Puricare Mask na to. So again, it has great features. There's upcoming features pa. There. So eto siya. By the way, I bought the black color of the LG Puricare Mask. Ito yung strap niya. Ayan. This is changeable. Pwede mo siyang palitan if nasira. Nakakabili on the website of LG or on their shops. Ito yung H13 HEPA filter slot. So, dyan ilalagay yun. Yung dalawang HEPA filter. You'll see there the fans. Ayun o, yung kulay silver na parang bilog doon sa loob. Doon, yun yung gumagana to give air to you. And cleaning the air that you breathe. So those are the outlet for the H13 HEPA filter mask. So once you close it, you should hear a click. Okay, from the dito sa outlet niya mismo, doon sa paglalagyan. Okay? Ayan. So it really looks good, looks classy. Ayan. And ito yung parang microphone niya. So basically dito nyo maririnig yung halimbawa nagsasalita, doon yung mic and speaker niya. Ito yung parang nagki-cleanse yung port. And then there's the Type C port and the power button. So you can change the modes by pressing on that button. By the way, dun sa ito yung 3 dito lumalabas yung air at you breathe. Yung 3 butas na yan. So you'll hear 2 clicks when you press it. Kapag naka-voice on is naka-on yung voice on feature. Okay, 3 clicks that you'll hear if it's turned off. You just need to press it once. Ayan. So ayun, dito nga siya ilalagay. Ito yung HEPA filter, ilalagay natin yan dyan later on. So, dalawang HEPA filter, H13 HEPA filter. These are also the same that is being used on air purifiers, yung malalaking air purifiers. So, ayan. Ito yung inner cover ulit. I believe there are 15 that is included on this inner cover. So, basically, marami kang spare na inner cover that you can use. But it still depends kasi ang sabi nila, 1 day usage kada inner cover. But still, it depends kung how long mo siya gagamitin or ginagamit per day. Same as well with the H13 HEPA filter. So, ito, elastic yan. And it's adjustable, yung sa ear strap. Let's try to open the face guard. Ayan. Let's see. So ito siya, parang meron siyang it's silicone with magnets na didikit dun mismo sa Air Purifier Mask. So ayan, dikit natin. Ayun o, automatic siyang dumidikit since it has magnet. Ganyan yung itsura niya. Tapos dun sa pinakaloob, ilalagay pa yung inner cover. So ayan siya. Mabilis lang siyang tanggalin, ganun lang kadali. Okay. And kailangan nating linisin yon later on bago natin gamitin. So let's try to put the H13 HEPA filters dun sa kanyang slot. Buksan lang natin to. Ayan. So there are two pieces here. One on the left and one on the right. So let's try to put it. So, buksan lang uli natin yung outlet for the HEPA filter and then lagay lang natin sa loob. Ayan, ganyan. So it's now inside and then again you'll hear a click once you parang naka-close na siya. Ayan, lagay natin yung left HEPA filter. So again, this is good for 30 days but it still depends on how long you use it. Yung battery life nga pala niya, it has 1000 milliamperes battery and it's good for around 8 to 10 hours. Okay, of use. But if naka voice on feature, still magle-less yung battery niya. Mas mabilis ma-discharge. So ayun, lagay natin ganyan. Later on, I'll let you see kung ano itsura niya kapag nilagay natin. Ito try natin siya later on. Ayan. So again, you'll press this long press to turn it on. You'll hear a ayun oh, may ilaw na. It's like an orange light. Pero once it's working, you'll hear the fan and it will turn green. The light will turn green later on kapag naka-on na siya and if the fan is working and the voice on is turned on. Parang redundant yun. Pero that's the voice on feature. So that parang mas clear yung voice mo once you hear it. Okay? So ayan siya. By the way, on Q4, i-release nila yung app for this Air Purifier Mask so that you'll see there if anong status ng mask, if need na bang i-replace yung filter, and gaano ka kalala yung like pollution on the area where you're wearing the mask. Okay? And if low bat na yung mask, dun mo rin makikita. So they'll release it Q4. So ayan, nakalimutan kong ilagay yung inner cover. Let's open the inner cover here. So again, it has 15 pieces. Hindi ko nabibilangin to. Based on the YouTube videos that I watched as well. Ayan, 15 pieces yan. They said, ayan, LG Puricare. They said, ayan, let's try to put it. Sabi muna natin to. Daily basis. Dapat daw siyang change or every use. But still, it depends on how long you use it. So, ayun, meron ditong parang mga butas. Doon natin isisiksik yung inner covers. Ayan. Ayun o. So, ganyan yung itsura niya. And then, we will put the face guard after we put the inner cover. So ayan, ganyan. Pero still, sanitize muna natin to bago natin i-try. Okay? So that we can check this one for you. Okay? Thank you. I'll have the video of trial. Testing natin itong ating Air Purifier Mask. So right now, wala siya, naka-off pa yung voice on feature niya. When I press the button here once, makakarinig ako ng 2 beeps and then magta-turn on yung voice on feature. So if you'll hear me right now using my mic dito, parang medyo
hindi nyo pa ako maintindihan. So, let's turn on the voice on feature. Hello? Hello? So, ayun, feeling ko ngayon naka-turn on na siya kasi I can hear myself and on the speaker, on the loudspeaker itself. So, ayan, ito yung sounds niya is naka-turn on yung voice on feature. Ito kapag wala. So, parang hindi nyo ako naririnig, no? Parang hindi clear yung sinasabi ko pag naka-off yung voice on feature. So, turn on uli natin. Hello? Okay, so ayan. Ito yung itsura niya kapag nakasuot na siya. Medyo magaan siya compared dun sa first generation niya kasi it's 94 grams. So, yung first generation is 100 plus, 120 grams. So, ganito siya yung itsura niya. You can also put the neckband, ito, dito, para yung pressure is nandito sa may neck nyo and hindi dito, palagi sa may tenga nyo. Pero still, ngayon, okay na okay yung fit niya. Ayan o, yung sa face guard niya, fit na fit dun sa aking mukha. Okay din yung strap niya dito. So ayan, again, this is kapag naka-turn on yung voice on feature, you can really hear kung ano yung sinasabi ko. Ito-turn off natin, ito. Ayan, can you hear me? Medyo hindi na clear yung sinasabi ko, diba? Kapag naka-voice off feature. Pag pinress ko ulit siya, hello? Okay, so ayan, naririnig niyo ulit ako. So that's the difference if the voice on feature is turned on dito sa LG Puricare Mask. So this can be controlled on the app. They'll release the app in Q4 of this year. So October, November, December. One of those months, i-release na nila yung app. Where you can see the status of the mask itself, if kailangan mo nang palitan yung filter, or if ano yung status nung air dun sa place na kung saan ginagamit mo yung Air Purifier Mask. By the way, it also has respiratory, parang nadedetect niya yung paghinga mo. What is that called? I forgot. Tingnan nga natin. Ayun, respiratory sensor. So yung mga filters dito, yung mga fan dito, they can sense yung paghinga mo. It's like kailangan mo ng hangin, mas lalakas yung air na binubugan niya. Okay? So yun yung respiratory sensor, and since it has dual inverter bands, so malaking tulong din itong H13 heavy filter na nandito kasi nga siya yung nagsasama ng air nasan ka man, diba? So this is really a great product. Now, for its price, yun na nga, medyo expensive talaga siya kasi nga yung technology na nilagay nila dito is really top notch. Okay, so it retails for 9,799 pesos, but it's on sale on Shopee and Lazada ng LG. It's 8,999 for the black version. We also have white, 8,800 plus pesos, but they have a voucher that I use. So nakuha ko na lang siya ng 8,099 pesos. So yung price niya, medyo pricey talaga siya, pero sa panahon ngayon, wherein hindi natin nakikita yung kalaban natin, it's much better to invest on this kind of devices para you know that you are safe. Yes, pero don't get me wrong, let's get out and get vaccinated to everyone, okay? So, ayan. Thank you for watching this unboxing and short review of the LG Puricare Air Purifier Mask, okay? So if you're not yet subscribed to my channel, kindly hit on the bell icon to subscribe now for more videos like this, okay? Like tech unboxing, food reviews, mukbangs, and many more, okay? Thank you so much again, guys, for watching. All of you have a great day. Thank you, guys. Bye-bye.
Blow me like a Hellcat.